So we want to resolve this factorial problem. We have 15 factorial all over 11 factorial times 4 factorial plus 15 factorial all over 12 factorial times 3 factorial. So let's expand the numerator. 15 factorial simply means 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 factorial all over 11 factorial times 4 factorial. Plus, we'll expand this one as well. We have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 factorial all over 12 factorial times 3 factorial. So from here, this 11 factorial cancel out this 11 factorial. We then have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 all over 4 factorial. Plus, the same thing happens here. This 12 factorial cancel out. We have 15 times 14 times 13 all over 3 factorial. So when we multiply this, 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 will give us 3,000. That's 32,760 all over 4 factorial. And when we multiply this, we have 2,730 all over 3 factorial. So from here, we want to use, so for this first term, we want to apply n factorial equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. So we want to apply it to this denominator, but this denominator will remain the same. So applying this thing over here, we then have 32,760 all over 4 times 3 factorial. So this is the same as this, plus 2,730 all over 3 factorial. So we'll be adding these two fractions together. That means 4 times 3 factorial will be our LCM. So we have 4 times 3 factorial times this is 1. Okay, 4 times 3 factorial divided by this is 1 times this. We have 32,760 plus this divided by this. We then have 4. So this will be plus 4 times 2,730. So resolving from this part, this is 32,760 plus 4 times this is 0. 4 times 3 12. 4 times 7 28. We'll carry 1. So this is 10,920 all over 4 times 3 factorial. So from here, 32,760 plus 10,000, this will have 43,680 all over 4 times 3 factorial is 3 times 2. So we have 3 times 2. So this is equal to 43,680 all over 24. So when you simplify this, we have 1,820.